Every day we encounter new things, new ways of life, and new hacks to life. Hi guys, my name is Abena. You can call me ABENACOOKS, and I am your favorite engineered cook. Guys, yes please, you saw right. I baked my waakye. And believe you me, life is as easy as it gets. Thank you to Regina, my first ever friend in St. Louis Senior High School, for walking me through this process. Mama, you're a lifesaver. This is a life hack. It's a hack for life, and I know you need this. Do like, comment, share, subscribe, and of course, just remember, Abena is cooking. Life is as easy as it gets. Love yourself, love your family, love God, and above all, love Abena's recipes. Do have an amazing week, and until my next video, bye guys. Love you all.